Assalamu alaikum. Today I have come here especially in the lap of nature. What a magnificent view it is. All the things are very nicely set according to the natural beauty. The mustard field is really a show of beauty. All the things here are set by the farmers. Our motherland is the real backbone of our economy, and our farmers are the real factors, and they maintain all the things very nicely, and they know how to plow the fields properly, and they know how to plant the seeds and sow the seeds at the right time. Now it is the winter season, and so they have planted different kind of crops, and mustard is one of them. The environment is very beautiful. Beside the road, the vehicles are moving fast, and we can find a house there. The house is surrounded with the trees, and far away there is a nice building, newly built building. It is in the midst. It is in the midst of the field, and so all the things has created the wonderful show of the natural beauty. If I look through the field, we can see the vast area of the trees and the natural beauty and the village houses. The village houses are really very fine, and the people here enjoy the natural beauty. They produce their own fantastic crops, and they enjoy the real and wonderful crops, and they are dependent on the agriculture. So it is very fine to think about their life and lifestyle. We can find all the things here. The mustard flowers are wonderful to look at. What a nice things they are. They are the real financial help for the farmers, and they create the wonderful show of nice and magnificent beauty. So, my dear viewers, it is really a great matter for me to come to the lap of nature and enjoy the winter season here. I have come here only to get mental recreation, and as I live in Rajshahi, the city life is not all the time enjoyable. But when I feel boredom and tiresome, I come to the lap of nature and enjoy the real beauty of the nature, which refresh my mind and which can help me to revitalize my mind to work more when I'll go back to my own place. So thank you. Assalamu alaikum.